Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix enable to remove payment method because active subscription on iPhone. Firstly, check active subscriptions. Open the settings app on your iPhone, then tap your name at the top to open your Apple ID settings. Select subscriptions, then review the list of active subscription. If you see an ongoing subscriptions, you'll need to cancel or change them first. Tap on the active subscription you want to end and select cancel subscription or cancel free trial. Then confirm your choice and note that this subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle, but it will no longer renew automatically. Once all subscriptions are cancelled, you'll need to wait until the billing period expires. For example, if your iCloud Plus plan renews on the 15th, wait until that date passes. And after that, you'll be able to remove your payment method. Once you have no active subscriptions, go to Settings, tap your name, then Payments and Shipping. Enter your Apple ID password if prompt, and tap Edit next to your payment methods. Tap the red minus icon next to the card you want to remove, then tap Remove to confirm. And if Apple still asks for a payment method, under Payment and Shipping, tap Add Payment Method, then choose None as your payment option, then tap Done to save. Make sure your family sharing isn't enabled because it must have a valid payment method on file, and ensure there are no pending charges or pre-orders on your Apple ID. And if the issue continues, contact Apple support directly at support.apple.com/billing. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.